All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us. Still on the matter, Yoruba nation no going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. Yes, so my brother, my sister, this is so strong. Tinubu, our lives are worse under you than even under the one that we said did not perform. All right, so my brother, my sister, the rich also cry. Now, one of the analysts on Arise TV has expressed concern about the economic situation. And then onto this one, Jide Ojo, a public affair analyst speaking on an interview with Arise, has expressed concern about the economic situation facing Nigeria. Well, onto this one, he criticized President Tinubu's administration, asserting that even in his own region where he is from, Southwest, his people are disenchanted with his government. My brother, my sister, this one is what we have been talking about. Everybody is now coming out to speak out. We have talked this thing times to that number, and a lot of people thought we were joking. You see what is going on right now? Well, the fact remains that as far as this country is concerned, if you are still out there, you are shouting one Nigeria, we have said it times to that number, you are on a long team. Now, as far as Southwest is concerned, we already seen what is going on. The Fulani invasion has done a lot of harm than good in the country. Now, Jide Ojo on his own part and made it clear that even in the Southwest, that the people are tired. That is why we are of the opinion that let us go our separate ways. Let everybody cooperate so that we can be happy, we can be fine. Well, according to Jide, he alleged that the lives of Nigerians are worse under the leadership of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, emphasizing that at his 1 year anniversary in office, he has no achievement to show. He highlighted that if the government fails to address these concerns and then improve the situation, it could lead to further discontent and negative consequences, such as the continued devaluation of the naira, which has reached an exchange rate of almost 1,900 naira to the US dollars. My brother, my sister, this is so strong. Now, talking about what is actually going on in the country, there is one comment that somebody actually dropped that actually touched my heart, that actually baffled my heart, that are you sure this is what we want to settle for? That comment goes like this, that this is just the beginning. This is just 1 year and then you people are complaining that before it will get to 2 years, maybe all of una go dey spy. My brother, my sister, is this the kind of life we want to live? For somebody to be telling you that this 1 year that a lot of people have even fed up of their life is just a tip of the iceberg. So what are we trying to tell ourselves? And then we have been talking about the fact that let's go our separate ways. Nobody is ready to speak up. Everybody is keeping mute as if nothing is happening. Somebody was telling me the other day that no, as far as this country is concerned, we should just forget about protesting, that one day it will be better. And the other person was like, wait, to share then charm all of now, we be saying, nobody fit come outside. Because if it were to be before, a lot of people would have come outside and then they would have reacted. Protests would have been everywhere. With the way a lot of people are being pied in this country, nobody is even coming out to say, oh, we are tired. Everybody is just keeping calm. What is that? What is that thing that is making everybody to keep calm? That's exactly what we are talking about. Well, in his brief quote, he says our lives are worse under you than even under the one that we said did not perform. So if he doesn't change the mindset of the people, if he doesn't deliver, if things remain or get worse, we never knew naira would exchange for almost 1,900 naira to a dollar. That's so serious. And then as it stands, everybody is still complaining the same thing. That is this the way we are going to relax and then watch all these people take us down the drain? That everybody needs to be focused. Like, let us tell ourselves the truth. Don't let us be sentimental. Majority of people are so sentimental. They will say, oh, she been our brother, they calm down now, they don't spoil them before we reach there. My brother, my sister, I think it's more than what we are talking about right now. They don't spoil am before in reach there. Then if they don't spoil am before in reach there, does that mean that people should not be buying under him because they don't spoil am before he reach there? Thank God the youth are coming out one after the other that they are even tired of the whole thing. They are tired of the old system. If they know they cannot make it work, let the youth take over. But no, the truth of the matter is, even if the youth try to say, oh, they are going to take over, what do you think they can actually do to make it better? I've asked myself that question. The best is let everybody go in separate ways. Somebody is of the opinion that, oh, hungry still let you talk. By this time next year, you will not see strength to talk. By this time next year, you will not see strength to talk. Meaning, by this time next year, it will be worse than what it is. My brother, my sister, I think it is better everybody open up. Let us come out in our numbers. Let us go our separate ways. The level to which we are right now is something that nobody can even cope anymore. And then you are not telling us that by this time next year, it will be worse than this. Where are all our youth? Because I think it's the youth that are the future of tomorrow. They are the leaders of tomorrow. What is everybody doing? Somebody was telling me that before you will be able to go to your office, your place of work, that you have to stress yourself. And in the first place, the transportation is very high now. That at the end of it all, by the time you go to your office, come back, you must have spent your salary just for transportation. Then what is now going to be left of you? And then yet nobody is coming out to tell it out that, oh, we better go our separate ways, because nothing is actually working. Even with the way the president is trying his best, the Fulani people are not happy. They are of the opinion that no, the country should be turned to a Muslim of a thing. That's why they had that mind to say they will buy the wife of the president because she is a Christian. Now this kind of country, on account they say make all of us still day. Now this same country, now they say make all of us sit down, say we are one. We are never one. That is why everything is is turning upside down. We are not one. That is why we are still finding it difficult to to speak up. We are not one. APC, their president, leaders, supporters, wailers, etc. are cursed. Oh my God! This now takes me back to what this prophet earlier said. Prophet Ayodele, Inri Evangelical, he made it clear that don't vote for APC. If you people try it, Oma lekoko, that this one that you people are complaining that is a tip of the iceberg, you are even enjoying. You are enjoying. But if you try vote for APC, and as it stands, who are the APC? APC, I will tell you, they are the Fulanis. Forget the fact that Yoruba man is the president, because many people have made it clear. Say the president got there because of the promise he made to the Fulanis. I don't know how true that is, but we are seeing the signs that nobody is ready to come out to do the needful. Nobody is ready to question the authority. Even if the president himself is not enjoying what is going on, but what about what he has promised? That's exactly what everybody is talking about. What he has promised this set of people. And then as it stands, I think the earlier the better for us. Well, meanwhile, according to Government creation, it says, well, you people shall do fast and put the country on sale. Give me my own share, no time. You see, Somebody is saying that they should sell this country. See, everybody is just saying the same thing. Sell this country and give everybody share. So when oh my god, my brother, my sister, it is not funny. Yoruba nation, no going back. Either you like it or not. Exactly what the people are talking about. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.